in this color-themed episode of Toon Paradise. Our team of talented animators is bringing you an amazing drawing tutorial on how to draw a simple car and a cute car. In this tutorial, our creative experts will walk you through the process of drawing a basic car, step by step. We'll start by drawing the car's body using a simple outline technique. For instance, we'll create a curved line across the top to style the roof of the car, and then add another straight line to represent the car's bottom. As we progress, we'll introduce some extra details to enhance the car's appearance. For instance, we'll go up a little bit on the left side of the car body with a small vertical line, creating a subtle visual cue that will help to establish where the car's windshield begins. We'll also add a background layer under the car body to make it easier to see our drawing clearly. Once we've completed the base of our car, we can now move on to the next step and add some wheels. Our experts will show you how to draw 2 wheels positioned under the car body. We'll also create a circle near the left side of the car, which will serve as an anchor for one of the wheels, and a slightly different circle near the right side to denote the other wheel. Following these steps, we'll move on to adding tires to our car. Our experts will show you how to draw tiny circles inside each tire for the center of the wheel. We'll also add some inside details like a small black circle to render it more realistic. Finally, we'll paint over our car body by creating a rainbow style curve on the top and another curve on the bottom to style the car's appearance, just like magic. In conclusion, our team has transformed a mere basic car into a beautifully designed, chubby car that is sure to delight fans of the Toon Paradise animated series. So why not join us in exploring the world of color and creativity with our Toon Paradise drawing tutorial? It's like a colorful playground for everyone, where we can play, learn, and create endless imagination. Join us on this exciting journey. And don't forget to share your own drawings, paintings, and art pieces with our community. Thank you for watching our colorful Toon Paradise episode.